Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its scenes while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my still remain within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, with the halo of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp, and my eyes will stand by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touch the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking